I decided to share tips and knowledge that will allow you to get throughout the whole visa application process successfully, without help of agents that often cheat on you, take money and disappear, give fake promises, fake visa appointment dates, and fake work permits. So here you are, pure and honest knowledge from the very beginning until getting the visa. Watch the whole video, focus, subscribe, and get the visa.
Hello everybody, this is Bartosz. Welcome you again. Today we will go through the visa application process together. I will show you how to fill in the visa application form correctly, in which point you should be focusing because you might make mistakes over there. I will show you how to read your work permit correctly and many other things that will be useful while applying for your visa. Enjoy.
Alright, so now let's go through the process of getting the appointment. First, you need to follow the link that you can see on the upper left-hand side, secure.econsulate.gov.pl. Follow this link. This link will take you to the e-consulate website, the embassy website. Next, you should choose country region. You are choosing India. Diplomatic mission, you are choosing New Delhi. Next, from the visa menu, you should choose national visa register form. You can see it on the left-hand side. After you have chosen it, it will take you to this page and you will have to go through the image verification. In our case, 71 minus 6, it is 65. When you do it, you press continue. When you go through the verification process, on the next page, you need to choose type of service you would like to apply for. So from the menu, you can choose national visa others, national visa students, national visa highly qualified staff, and national visa work. In our case, we are choosing national visa work. After you have chosen it, you press the make reservation button at the bottom. All right, it is important to read the notice that you can see on the screen. Important notice, employment visa, new procedure for registering a visa application. Read it very carefully and follow the instructions. There is also information. Please remember, you also need to read it. And you have at the bottom mark on the with the blue color, you have the information that you have applied for national visa work. This is the type of service, and the information that the next drawing will take place on 24th of April. Today we are having 19th of April, so the next drawing will take place in 5 days' time. And the drawing will apply for 3rd of May until 10th of May. Okay, then you need to press the button complete the preliminary application. Press it. All right, after you have pressed it, you have a preliminary application for national visa. You need to fill in the fields in the application form. So you need to fill in your surname, and this is important. Pay attention while doing it, and fill in with the details that you have in your passport. It's important to focus and not to make any mistake while filling this in. Give your email address as well. This is also important because after filling the application, you will receive email confirmation to your email. Then the next one, phone area code 0091. Put your phone number. Again, I'm underlining the fact that you need to focus and try to avoiding any mistakes when filling in the application form. Next, number 6, details regarding travel arrangements. This is important. You need the data that you are going to put in needs to match your travel document data. So, for example, if your work permit starts with on the 20th of May, you can add a few days, and you can let's say 10 days or 13 days, so they have some time for processing your visa application form. And number 7, intended date of departure from the Republic of Poland. Let's say that your work permit is for 1 year and it's ending on 20 on let's say 20th of May 2022. So you should put here 19th of May 2022. Never put longer date than the validation of your work permit. Remember, this is important. The next one, put your passport data, number of travel document. For example, G45639380. Next one, you choose ordinary passport. And here you have the list of documents that entitle you to work. So you can, in order to get more information, you can press the manual, which explains to you all the information that you have on your work permit. All like number 10, the document entitling you to work. Number 10, type of document entitling you to work. In our case, it is zezwolenie, which in Polish language means permit. In this case, it's permit type A. You choose it from the menu that you can see here. Yep. Next one, document number entitling you to work. This is the number of the document that entitles you to work. So you need to type this number in the field number 11. After you have filled in the field number 11, please make sure that you don't make any mistake. You process to number 12, date of issue, year, month, and day. This is the date of issue. In our case, 5th of January 2021. Exactly. And valid until, again, we need to check. We are checking. At the bottom, you can see, in our case, it is valid until 24th of January 2022, which is showing that our work permit is valid for 1 year, from 25th of January 2021 until 24th of January 2022. Field number 14. We need to put the institution that issued our work permit. Follow the arrow. This is the code of the institution that issued our work permit. So again, we copy this and we put it here. Done. After you have gone through the whole process, you need to read the information that is marked with the blue color. Please make sure that the data entered in the visa application form are correct and press save button to confirm it. Press correct button. This is important. Press correct button if you need to amend any data you have entered in the application form. Any erroneous entry, any incorrect data entry shall make the application void and will cause rejection of your visa application. Please pay attention while filling in the form. After you confirm that the data is correct, you have the summary here in the preliminary application for the national visa. You need to go through all the points again and check if you didn't make any mistakes. Again, please make sure that the data entered in the visa application form are correct. If only if you are certain that it's correct, you press the save button. After you have saved the button, you will receive a confirmation email from the embassy that your visa application form, preliminary application for national visa, has been accepted. And after the drawing, if you are lucky, you will receive the visa appointment date. No need for agents anymore. Simple as that.
I hope you enjoyed the video and got some useful information that you might use while applying for your visa. As you can see, the visa application process is not very complicated. Just follow the instructions that are given on the website and in the visa application form. If you have any questions, comment, ask them. We will reply to it as soon as possible. Share it with your friends because we do it for you, so more people have the chance to apply for visa themselves without losing money on any agents and other institutions that will not guarantee you a successful result.